This is an instructional video for the use of the Billy Goat F1002 series of blowers. As with any Billy Goat product, review the operator's manual provided with the unit and also available at billygoat.com before use. When operating the equipment, use gloves and eye protection. Tip: when the engine is running, the housing is blowing, so do not start the engine until you are ready to use the unit. To start the engine, slide the red transport guard lever located on the back of the engine to the right. Slide the choke lever to the left to choke the engine. Pull the rope to start. Once the engine starts, push the choke lever to the right. Slide the throttle to the right to attain full RPM for maximum blowing force. The discharge chute is controlled from the lever on the right side of the handle. To remove stubborn, wet, or matted debris, squeeze the lever to move the nozzle of the discharge chute up and down. You can lock the nozzle in one of three positions via the finger control lock, also positioned on the right side of the handle. Squeeze the lever. Push down on the locking pin with your pinky and gently continue to squeeze until the locking pin sets into one of the three settings. To release the lock, lightly squeeze and release the lever. On a self-propelled model, to fully engage the drive, depress the lever on the left side of the handle. There is one forward speed. When released, the unit will freewheel smoothly like a push model. The forward discharge is particularly helpful when blowing against buildings or fences. Turn the unit off to install the forward discharge. Take the flared portion of the rubber boot and fold it to fit the conical discharge on the unit. Once inside, release the fold and the boot will assume its prior shape. When the engine is running again, the forward force of the air will lock the boot into position. To remove the forward discharge, turn off the unit. Fold the boot at the collar and pull it out of the conical discharge. Conveniently store it in the storage bracket on the back of the housing.